in Roblox right sorry, I'm a little bit sick, but in Roblox right now, me and my friends over here, built a ship and built a boat to get treasure or something, and we built this huge little ball that we're in right now, and we all look the same, so that's cool. And yeah, that's basically it. Catch you guys when we're almost there. So, two of our, I mean, like, two of our friends just, well, like, oh, never mind. Well, I'm like the only one on the ship now, so that's pretty cool. Well, it looks to be I'm the only one on the ship. Yeets. I'm sorry, but you didn't see this on camera, but we built a boat again, and I didn't make it, but I got like a lot of gold right here. So catch you guys later.